Here we have test results, and we need to get the status over next to the results. We need to get that in column D. So test 1, that was a 29. That counts as a pass because it's between 0 and 75. This would be fairly easy to do in Excel, but if we had to do this in Power Query, how would we do it? Let's see. Cursor in the data set. Data from table/range. Here's the data. Because we have just a few categories, this is going to be easy via a conditional column. Let's check it out. Add column. Add conditional column. Now here, the order is important. We're going to call this status. Now, let's start with our first category. If result is less than 75, then pass. Now add a clause. If result is less than 120, then fail. Otherwise, or else, terror, exclamation point. Okay. Now let's close and load this to the workbook. File, close and load to. I want to load it to an existing worksheet. I'm going to put it right here. Okay. Get rid of these filter buttons. Now let's verify our results. Test 2, 80, fail, correct. It's greater than 75 and it's lower than 120. Test 14 scored 100. Yep, that is a fail. Our data is correct. And what happens if we have more data? Go to data, refresh. There's our new data and accurately assigned its result.